All right, welcome back. So in this lesson, we're just going to talk about new Photoshop beta features. Okay, so the new Photoshop beta features, you can try new ways to create at the speed of imagination. Brainstorm more ideas in less time with generative workspace. Seamlessly add 3D objects to Photoshop designs and more. So let's go ahead and download the app and just take a look at some of the things you can do with the Photoshop beta app. Okay, so this is just a beta. It's working um, application. If we install it, let's just take a look at it and see exactly what it has to offer. Um, so install it. You can ideate and create assets faster and place 3D objects into your designs. Very cool. I think that's a cool idea. Um, I don't know. Let's let this install and then we'll just take a quick look at it. But what I want to say is I hope that you've enjoyed, the previous lessons that we've talked about. Photoshop is a fantastic application to be learning, especially in 2025. So I really hope that you enjoy the content that I've been presenting to you and that you'll continue to enjoy it as I release this on a daily basis. So we're just about done here. Um, we're just about done here, and once this is done, then we'll open up the app and take a look real quick at Photoshop Beta just to see what they're talking about here. Um, I don't fiddle with this a lot, honestly, but it's a fun thing to check out, kind of see what they're doing. Now they're adding the remove tool, so we'll give it a second to kind of catch up to us. And let me see if it's popping up. Nope, not yet. This is a way for you to kind of see what they're working on, and I think it's a great idea. Um, I have no problem with it. I understand what they're doing, um, and I like the thumbnail. I think that's cool. So I think this is a great idea. I have no problem with it. And whoa, that's cool. I really like the background. That's cool. Very cool. I get excited about weird things. So this is very cool. Um, you can kind of see into the future a little bit on what they're working on and what it's going to kind of be like to some degree. And so you can see here you have generative workspace. So brainstorm more ideas in less time with generative workspace in Photoshop. Create dozens of assets simultaneously and explore multiple concepts at once. Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to agree. And let's do, okay, so I have so my dog is a American Pit Bull mix, right? So I want to do Pit Bull with sunglasses and mohawk. Let's see what that looks like. So let's do Pit Bull Terrier because my dog has more of a narrow face. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. They got some really cool things on here. I got to say that the generative AI is pretty cool. Like that thing is cool. The amount of stuff that you can make from this kind of thing is just amazing. Let's grab the cat. We'll do the dog. Neon dog with sunglasses, a mohawk, and scarf with. You see so let's do neon pit bull dog. Pit bull terrier dog with sunglasses, a mohawk, and scarf. Let's see what that looks like. Well, let's just do terrier. Okay, let's do a pit bull terrier mix dog. See what that does. Huh. That kind of looks like my dog a little bit. She has kind of the long ears like this. Her face is a little more narrow, but that's pretty close. So we can open this. We can download it. Let's see what it's doing here. Okay, so it brings it into to Photoshop Beta. Okay, so then we can work in here and kind of do different things, and yeah, very cool. I'm not going to save this. We got the idea. I mean, generative workspaces. This is kind of what we were looking at, and you can basically generate a lot of images at once, and that seems to be their next big feature in Photoshop, is to add generative workspace, which I think is awesome. So this is kind of giving you a little preview of what's coming down the pike, you know. So what a cool tool to learn about. It's fantastic. Okay, so that's the new Photoshop beta features. That was generative workspace. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson.